subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends? I'm Sholazari and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you a really cool way to produce coins from thin air. So without any further ado, let's look at the performance. After that we are going to get into the tutorial.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay friends, so this is how you're going to do this appearing coin trick. First of all, you're going to take this coin and you're going to put it over here. Just you're going to clip it inside the curl of your index finger. And then what you're going to do is you're going to stretch this finger out in front of this edge so that from the front, the edge of this coin cannot be seen. So as the spectators are in your exact front, they won't be able to see the coin because of this position of the fingers. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go over here and you're going to pretend to grab a coin from the thin air just like this. And as you do like this, then the spectators' attention are all over on this hand. So that is the misdirection. And at that point, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here with your thumb like this. And you're going to clip the coin between your thumb and your middle finger's edge. And you're going to release your index finger. Then you're going to use your thumb to just roll the coin across the middle finger just like this. Now as you roll the coin like this, you're also going to curl in your middle finger and you're going to turn your hand like this. So as you do like that, the coin is right now over here, and from the front the coin is not visible. If you tilt your hand like this, then the coin is visible, and if you tilt your hand like this, the coin is visible. But if you keep your hand like this, it looks like the hand is fully empty, but in actual reality the coin is actually over here. So all that thing you do is while pretending to grab the coin from the thin air, and you do that move like this. This is not an easy move as it looks like. It is pretty hard, but with practice this won't be a piece of cake for you. So what you need to do is practice this move in front of a mirror a couple of times, and you need to adjust your angles so that you know at which angle the coin is visible, so that you can show it to the spectators without any kind of flashing the coin from the top or from the bottom. Now you remember your other hand where you have actually pretended to hold an invisible coin. So what you're going to do is you're going to first go through this virtual hole like this. Then what you're going to do is as you come back on the next time, you actually take this coin and then you go through this hole like this. So from the front it actually looks like you have magically produced a coin just like that from the hole. So that's how you do this coin production. So I hope you enjoyed learning this visual coin production technique. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at Shwel_Zari, and if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace!